Mr. President, I am honored and privileged to come to the floor of the United States Senate today to talk about Michael Brown, appointee by President Donald Trump to be Northern District of Georgia judge in the Northern District of our state. Mr. Brown is an outstanding citizen of our state, married to a wonderful lady, 3 wonderful children, graduate of the Marist School, graduated of Georgetown University, graduate of the University of Georgia Law School, magna cum laude in 1994. With a record of practicing law in the practice sector that's unparalleled, having worked for both King & Spalding and Alston Burn. King & Spalding has produced many of the judges on the bench in the United States of America of distinguished records, not the least of which in terms of attorney generals, the Attorney General under President Jimmy Carter, Griffin Bell, an outstanding Attorney General in our state. It produced Sam Nunn, an outstanding member of the United States Senate, and has produced many judges in our state, and has produced many from his firm now that he was practicing with, which is Alston Burn. It's a privilege for me to talk about Michael for many reasons. But most importantly is he comes with a background of experience in the private sector. He's been recommended by the U.S. Chamber as one of the great lawyers in the United States of America in business matters. One of the things our courts need is a tempered balance of business and consumer. There's no question that a voice of business, or someone who is not a voice for business as a judge, but is experienced in business as a judge, will make a tremendous difference, and I know he will in the Northern District of Georgia. So to my fellow members of the Senate, and to the President, I thank him for nominating Michael and making this appointment. And to the members of the United States Senate, I urge you to join me in voting for Michael Brown for the Northern District of Georgia to be our next judge there. He'll be a great judge on the bench, a great decision for us, and continuing growth and improvement of outstanding jurists elected by this Senate and confirmed by this Senate in this year of 2018. With that said, Mr. President, I yield back the balance of my time.